Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are decorating a stunning ombre rosette cake using a number 1 and number 2 pan baked cake. We'll work with cream, yellow and gold buttercream, finishing with a gorgeous airbrushed ombre effect. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and remember to hit that subscribe button if you love cake decorating like this. First up, we have our number 1 and number 2 cakes baked and cooled. These are perfect for celebrating 12th birthday and anniversaries. Before we start decorating, grab your measuring tape and measure the length of each number. Then divide the total by 3. This will help us space out our beautiful ombre colors perfectly. For this design, we are using 3 shades of buttercream, cream, yellow and gold. You can mix these colors with full jet coloring or get these just the right shades. Now fill your piping bags with the buttercream colors. For lovely rosettes, we are using a star tip. Now you will observe that I have used a smaller star tip for the cream colors here, which I will take off right away and use a bigger star tip to pipe. This will give my work textured, beautiful rosettes that I'm looking for. Now to pipe your rosettes, you're going to pipe the rosettes in a circular motion, working from the center outwards. The goal is to create a smooth gradient transition between the colors. I have taken this part out so that the tip used would be clear. Ensure you make stars at the corners where you cannot make rosettes. Pipe stars using the color for that section. Having completed the number 2 cake, now I'm going to get my number 1 cake already cooled and level the top and place it just by the side of the number 2 because this is a number 12 birthday cake. Ensure it is leveled at the top so it will be straight and your rosette can sit nicely. After that is done, apply your buttercream to crumb coat it and begin to pipe rosettes. Before you pipe the rosettes, ensure you measure to get the accurate number amount so that you can divide for your rosettes. Now with the measuring tape, I have taken my measurements and I have divided them equally into 3 different sections for our cream, yellow and gold buttercream. Continue to pipe rosettes, moving in a circular motion, working from the center outwards. Pipe in 3 different shades on the number 1, 2, the cream, the yellow, and the gold. Now I have just placed it on the turntable. I forgot to do that earlier. So place it on your turntable for ease of decorating while decorating your cake. Continue to pipe your rosettes until you completely cover the number 1. Now for that finishing touch, we are going to blend the colors even more by airbrushing the last section with a gold shimmer using a manual pump. This will give the cake a soft, glowing ombre finish. Now you want to be gentle with the airbrushing and ensure you airbrush only that section. I just wanted that section gold. Now I mixed gold dust with edible spirit to achieve that gold effect in the manual pump. Now after brushing that section, I'm going to use my edible spirit and a brush to clean that part of the board neatly to get rid of the dust on the board, on the cake board, and then finish off with tissue paper clean finish. And there you have it, a stunning number 12 cake with gorgeous ombre rosettes and a golden shimmer. This is perfect for any celebration. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this a like and don't forget to subscribe for more cake decorating tips and tutorials. We'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.